This is cute. This
That's
is
cute for like, how do you call that? Baking the, like a pie?
Yeah, that's very cute.
Kung makasal siya ulit, bibili daw siya ng bahay. Come here. Hey, Rox. Your sister doesn't even wanna come down here. She's something else. Right, Rox? Your sister is something else. It's wet here. It's nice, guys. Look. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. Oh, tignan niyo yun. Hungry? No. Hi guys. Okay, I'm ready. Look at my eyebrow. It's very bad. I'm gonna bring yung mother-in-law ko sa Walmart para magbili ng hanger niya. Iwan ko ba kung up na siya? Pinukaw ko kasi. So anyway, yeah, that's it. I'll see you later. Hi guys, I'm just watching this video on YouTube. It's Caesar 911. It's about dog training. I'm lucky that I have a sweetheart. Sweetheart, sweetheart, no, sweetheart, 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 no, sweetheart, sweetheart. Sit up, 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 up. Good girl, good girl. The only sleepy dog is sleepy dog. You guys can see her clearly. Sleepy puppy, now sleepy, no, sleepy. Sleepy, no, baby. Get up. No sleepy, sleepy, no. I know, no, I know. Where you been drinking last night, Rox? Ay, nako, eh. Are you gonna get up and walk away because you don't like that I touch your sister? Look at that, guys. Sad dog. What a sad dog. Do you have hangover? Where did you been drinking? I am waiting for her to get out. Sabi ko, pagkatapos mong kumain, ano niya yung medicine niya. Sabi ko, ready na ka na? Sabi niya, oo. So, ngayon, hindi pa pala. Okay guys, we're here at Walmart and this is cheap over here. In Home Depot, it's really expensive. This is for the, mat for the cabinet.
For the what?
The cabinets. Cabinet. You know.
Cabinet. Is that the lining for the cabinet?
Yeah, it's really expensive in Home Depot.
They're expensive?
In Home Depot. At Home Depot.
Oh, they're
But
more expensive?
yeah, but not here. Right here, we go here. It's oak. This is the thing that we don't have, Mom. Egg.
A beater.
Yeah. But it's expensive. It's strong. This is stronger.
That's stronger.
Yeah, $4.99.
Mashing.
And this one is 5. It's $2 different.
You know, like the mashing ones like these.
For tomato.
If you're making the
Tomato?
eggs, you can mash the eggs down. It's easier.
We have that in the other house.
Yeah, we have one of them.
Yeah, so we can just bring it when we move in. This is cheaper though. It's $2. It's not strong, look.
But it's not strong enough. Are these the smaller ones?
We don't really use it anyway.
You don't use it to beat things?
No.
But Tommy's always making.
I know he does.
Yeah.
He's the one making omelette all the time.
Yeah, he's making all those things. So
No, the big one is fine.
the big one is okay?
Are you getting that?
Yeah, I'll get it for you.
No, I don't really use it, Mom.
No, but I'll get it for the house. You have it. This is a little smaller. No.
They're all the same. Yeah, it's stronger though.
Yeah, well then we'll get the smaller.
Okay. Did you see all this thing? This kind of thing? Look, this the color too. Look. Yeah, but I don't know. Is this what is this? You know what is this? What kind of? I don't know. It's not Pyrex. Pyrex is here.
Yeah.
Keep going here. You can see.
This is cute. This is
That's
very
cute for like how do you call that? Baking the like a pie.
Yeah, that's very cute.
Yeah, look at the price.
$12.72 is not that bad.
No,
Yeah, that's
we don't need that
that's
now.
ceramic.
Not practical. Oh, this is how do you call this? Oh, which one you looking for?
What are these things?
Just like, did you see that when you get them hot?
Oh,
and
for
then-
the, it's for sitting in hot stuff down on.
Yeah, it's very colorful.
So they have the little ones.
Yeah, it's much. I don't know what is that for.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know.
For glasses.
Ah,
So they
okay.
don't drip on your table.
Yeah. It's matches with that thing too.
Yeah, that's what we have.
This is what I really want. This is good for your cereal, oh. For display. Because we cannot display boxes.
So that it, yeah.
I plan to get this in the future, but I want the longer one.
Oh, you got.
A thin. It's just like,
Have any
look how nice is that, guys. It's so
Yeah.
pretty. I like it. I don't know if
Look
that's.
at the doors.
Oh yeah. I don't know if that's microwavable. This bowl. I don't know.
Well, that's the thing in the bottom.
Is it heavy? The dishwash and microwave safe. Oh, nice.
It's microwavable.
We're done here, guys. So we are leaving. We thought it's raining, but it's not raining. Still nice outside, so it's not really raining. Huh?
Those are the dishes.
Yeah.
But wait for you eat.
No, what do you think about the store?
Oh, it's nice. It carries all kinds of things.
The kitchen thing, it's nice, right?
Yeah,
Kitchen
it's
area.
very nice.
So,
I was looking to see if they had the kind of, you know, plates and things that I have that are so unbreakable.
the one that you have in the other house,
Yeah.
the thin one,
Yeah, the ones we use all
Yeah.
the time. But
and
I
that's
didn't see
microwavable. No, they don't have it like that over here.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, this is what we got. It's a kid toy for her grandson, and we got some also vegetables. You know, just for dinner. What are you afraid for? No. Look at this, how pretty is that, guys? Cereal, that one, so nice. And for, you know, like, how do you call this, mom?
What?
This one?
What is that one? The pillow?
Yeah,
It's a pillow
to sit on.
to sit on.
It is $12. And this one is a nice hanger. It's like four something. And it's 10 pieces and it's really strong. Oh, this is for over here in the kitchen
Oh.
to hold that thing. And this is for the bathroom. It's a silicone. It's 5:30 now, guys. Kailangan ko nang magluto. Kasi wala nang ano. Look at it. Grabe. Daghana, oy. Tignan nyo ito. Ang dami-dami. Roses galore. Ay, nako. Magkakat ako para display ko. Sobrang dami. At saka nakaharang na dito ay. Nakaharang na, oh. Wow. That's how it looks. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. There's more over there, but obviously this is what only I got. What is that bad look? This is how I cook lamb, guys. If you wanna know, if you wanna eat a good lamb, bake it good. This is the onion, and this is the garlic right here, and then salt and pepper. I always season even the bone and flip it over. The same thing. I-flip mo lang siya, parang flip ba, parang may pagkabuang ba. I-flip mo lang ito. And the same process. I-bake ko lang ito ng 400 degree. At saka, i-bake ko lang, walang oras-oras, ano lang siya. Nagdepende lang. Gusto ko, pag mag-brown na yung nasa taas, i-ano ko, i-flip ko. You know, i-change position. At saka, pagkatapos doon, balik na naman sa original na position yung sa taas. Yung matandaan doon sa labas, guys. Nagmumuni-muni. Mahiling na siya mag-ano ba, yung damanon ba? Damanon, ano sa Tagalog yung damanon? Nag-dream ba? Palagi. Kausap niya sarili niya or parang may kinakausap siya. Na ano ako. Palagi sometimes yung magdadrive ako, may kakausap, may kinakausap siya. Sa panaginip pala, panaginip. Palagi ako nakagano, ano ba to eh? Kakaiba talaga yung conversation niya sa panaginip niya. Nakakatawa. Sabi, ang ganun. Sabihin ko to sa asawa ko. Gusto pang mag-asawa, guys. Gusto pa. When we're driving back here, sabi pa niya, kung makapangasawa ako, kung makahanap ako ng mabuting lalaki, natawa ako sa sarili ko. Hindi ko na pinakita, kasi makakainso ko naman. So, yun, sabi pa niya, mag-ano daw siya, pag nakita siya ng mabuting lalaki, magpapakasal sa kanya, kung magpakasal siya, kung makasal siya ulit, bibili daw siya ng bahay na sa kanila at saka malapit dito. Sabi ko pa, gusto mo pang mag-asawa? Hindi ko naman sinabi na matanda ka na, uy, hindi ka na mag-asawa. Sabi, gusto mo mag-asawa? Sabi ko siya, oo, marami namang lalaki daw nagka-ano-ano daw dyan sa mga, doon sa pununtahan niya, yung mga ano niya, so mga kaibigan niya. So, wala lang akong reaction, yun lang ang sinabi ko sa kanya na gusto kong asawa. So, marami daw lalaki kung saan. Sabi niya doon sa so natawa ako, lang, kinukurot ko na lang yung dila ko. Natawa lang ako kasi ang feeling kasi yung feeling talaga siya bata, guys, as in feeling niya feeling niya na matulungan pa niya ako nang mag-alsa ng lamisa, ganyan, feeling talaga. Natawa na lang ako kasi sabi pa niya nga sa anak niya na daw, anong tawag nito, hindi daw niya feel na matanda siya, feel daw niya bata pa siya. Tumatawa na lang kami ng anak niya na babae. Yun. Ay, ganyan talaga pag matanda na, may feeling na ba? Feeling. So anyway, see you later, guys. Yung string beans na ko, nililinis ko lang. Pabukalan ko na lang ito, guys. Pabukalan ba? I'm gonna boil it. And then season it with lemon and oil, salt, and pepper. Be a good girl. Behave. Good girl. Sit, Roxy. Misty, sit. Misty. Sit. Good girl. That's my girls. If I sit, you behave. That's my baby. Good girls. Good girls. Good girls. Hindi niyo lang nakita si Misty, guys. Doon siya. Hindi nila, ayaw kong ibabother kasi nila kapag nag-verbas ako ng pusa. So, lami-lami ko. Naluluto na siya doon, no? Lutong-luto. Gusto ko siyang lutong-luto. At nagagandahan talaga ako sa roses na ganyan. Yung binili ng matanda o kanina, guys. Para sa upuan niya. Para mataas siya. Kasi nag-shrink na kasi siya. So, yan upuan niya. Tinali ko lang doon. Good girl, mates. Good girl. I'll give you something later. She understandable. I give you. And do you want? That's it. And then what do you want? Do you understand it? I will give you something later. Look, they understand that. What do you want? They understand that. So out. Understand that. So in. Understand that. So dada. Understand that. So I'll be right back. Understand that. You understand everything. You want din din. Understand that. What do you want? Do you wanna go? Understand that? You guys are so cute. You're cute. Andito ako ngayon sa kwarto, guys. I was planning to watch Tumbongeras. Ano ba? Yung live nila ba? Ni Mal Tumbongera sa kanina. And I cannot, for some reason, she can't be in. And then I was late anyway. And, you know, I was having dinner. We were having dinner. And hi, Mile, if you're watching. I kinda excited of your live, but you cannot connect. But anyway, I'm gonna go back downstairs. I was charging also my cell phone because it's dead. But yeah, it's dead. But so I will see you later, guys. Yep. Nagda-dry na siya, pero ayaw kong ganunin ba? Ayaw kong kunin. So leave it there. So yun, mag-wash lang ako ng face later kasi I did put makeup on. Where's the doggy?
Where are the dishes?
Huh?
I see one dish. I don't see two dishes for them.
Oh, it's under the sink. You give them already?
Hmm?
You give them.
There's little pieces there that I want to put in their dishes.
Oh, the dishes is right here.
Yeah.
Did you? Oh, is that what you give?
Huh?
Is that what you're gonna give?
Yeah, that dish.
Can put that in the dishwasher.
Yeah.
Come here. Come.
Go on.
Come.
Go on.
Oh yeah, you can do it here because the plate is not wet.
That's your treat.
Okay, here.
You can have it. The big one attacked right away.
Yo, Pipi, let's go. Let's go. Come here. It's windy though. Look at the cloud, guys. You see the cloud? It's kind of nice. Every afternoon over here, guys, it's kind of nice. And right now, it's windy. It's really stormy. I don't know. You can hear it. But there is a moon right there. Moonlight shining bright. Just want them to do their business because, yeah, now. Oh, nice. Look at that. Can you hear that? That's a July 4th. It's not even 4th of July, but you can hear it now. It's how do you call that? Fireworks. You can hear it? Fireworks. Wow. Wow. Look who knows where the bedroom is. You know where the bedroom is. Okay guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you all guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. I will see you in my next video. I will see you in my next I will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I will see you tomorrow, guys. How nice it is sleeping with my bug. And I can hear him purring really loud. He's such a bug. He's such full of love. Full of love. Full of shit. Full of crap. Full of everything. Such a boy. He's so special as in. I wanna bite you. I wanna bite you. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow guys. Say, I will see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow guys. Watch mama's videos guys. Watch mama's video. Watch mama's video guys. Where are you going? Huh? Oh nako. Ay nako. Ay nako. Ay nako, you bulls. I will see you tomorrow. He's such a loving little boy. He's so loving little boy. For 9 years, that's the first time he said it. It's true, hon. Shooting.